Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to install the Last Played Kodi Addon. Whether you're new to Kodi or looking to enhance your media experience, this add-on is perfect for keeping track of your recently viewed content. Stick around as we walk you through the installation process. Step 1. Accessing Kodi's settings. Firstly, launch Kodi on your device. From the home screen, navigate to the gear icon or settings located at the top left corner. Click on it to enter Kodi's settings menu. Step 2. Navigating to File Manager. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select File Manager. This option allows us to manage our sources and repositories within Kodi. Step 3. Adding a new source. Inside the File Manager, double-click on Add Source. A dialog box will appear where you need to click on None and enter the repository URL for the Last Played Addon. For this demonstration, we'll use the official repository URL. Step 4. Naming the source. Next, name the source to easily identify it later. You can choose any name you prefer, for example, Last Played Repo. Once done, click OK to confirm. Step 5. Installing from repository. Return to the Kodi home screen and select Addons from the left-hand menu. Click on the box icon Package Installer located at the top left corner. Step 6. Installing from zip file. Choose Install from zip file and navigate to the source you previously added, Last Played Repo. Click on it to access the repository files. Step 7. Selecting the repository. Inside the repository folder, select the appropriate zip file that corresponds to the Last Played Addon. Kodi will begin installing the addon, and you'll see a notification once it's successfully installed. Step 8. Accessing the addon. After installation, go back to the Addons menu and select My Addons. Scroll down and choose Video Addons, where you'll find the Last Played Addon listed. Step 9. Configuring and using Last Played. Click on the addon to open its information screen. From here, you can configure any settings according to your preferences. Once configured, return to the Kodi home screen and access the addon from the Video Addons section. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully installed and configured the Last Played Kodi Addon. Now you can conveniently keep track of your recently watched content directly from Kodi. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Kodi tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.